Hello guys, this is Silvanus aka Saoko here again. In this video I'm going to show you how to verify your account, YouTube account. So when you verify your YouTube account, it will allow you to upload video that is more than 15 minutes. Okay, so to do that, let's just dive into it. Okay, so now let me show you the already verified account here. Let me just go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so setting, channel, future eligibility. Okay, when you see here, you see enable. So when you click here, you can see it's verified phone. So in the second account I'm going to show you, down here it will ask you to verify your phone number. So that's what we are going to do. Okay, but this one is already verified. Okay, thank you. So let's go to the next account to see and how you can verify your account. I'm going to demonstrate that to you to see how it works. Okay, so let's just go to this YouTube. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Okay, this is one of my account here. Is a new account so I created, and when you look at it, it has no even subscriber yet. But if I want to upload video that exceed 15 minutes, YouTube will not allow that. The reason being that I did not verify this account. Okay, so how to verify the account so that you can upload video that is more than 15 minutes. When you get to your YouTube Studio, all you need to do, just scroll down the setting here. See down here, you click on setting, then channel, the feature eligibility right here. You click on this. When you see here, say standard features enable, but here there's nothing like that. Okay, when you click here, you can see it's checked, so it's active. Okay, now let's go back and look at this. When you click here you can see that the requirement standard feature, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you see that, but here is saying that verify, because you need to verify with your phone number. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't allow you to verify with email, so you have to use your phone number. So when you click on this, so you see here, phone number verification is just a step 1 and 2. So yeah, either text me the verification code or call me with automated voice message. So here I say test me. Okay, so when you choose a test me, what it means is that you put your phone number here. For instance, let me just put my phone number code. Okay. Okay, so you can see they send a message to my phone. Now that number, that code, I have to submit the code. Put the code here. So let me check my phone and see if I receive the message. Okay, so I received the message, and let me just type in okay, so it's done. My account is verified, so I can upload video that is more than 15 minutes. Guys, you see that? It's simple as that. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in my next video.
Please, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.